Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a really helpful customization for Google Chrome, changing the default zoom level. If you find yourself squinting at websites or if text is just generally too small or too big for your liking, adjusting the default zoom is the perfect solution. You can make all websites automatically appear at the magnification level that's comfortable for you. This means less eye strain and a more pleasant browsing experience overall. Let's jump right into how to do it in Chrome. First, as always, you need to open Google Chrome. Go ahead and launch Chrome on your computer. Make sure your Chrome browser window is open and ready. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You're looking for those three little dots stacked vertically. This is your Chrome menu button. Click on those three dots. Clicking this button will open up the main Chrome menu. You will see a drop-down list of options appear. In this menu list, we need to find Settings. Scroll down a little bit in the menu and you should see the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings. Clicking on Settings will open up the Chrome Settings page in a new tab. On the left side of the Settings page, you will see a menu again. Look for an option that says Appearance. It's usually about halfway down the left-hand menu. Click on Appearance. Now under Appearance Settings, you should see a section labeled Page Zoom. In the main zoom section, you will see a drop-down menu that likely says 100. This drop-down menu is where you change the default zoom. Click on the drop-down menu that currently says 100. When you click it, you will see a list of different zoom percentage options appear. You can choose from various zoom levels to increase the default zoom and make websites appear larger. Choose a percentage higher than 100. Common choices are 110, 125, or 150, depending on how much magnification you need. To decrease the default zoom and make websites appear smaller, you could choose a percentage lower than 100, like 90 or 75. However, most people usually want to increase zoom for better readability. Go ahead and select your desired default zoom percentage from the drop-down menu. For example, let's say you choose 125. Click on 125 percentage. Once you select a new zoom level, Chrome automatically applies it as your new default zoom. You don't need to click Save or anything like that. It's applied instantly. To see that change in action, open a new tab and visit any website. You should see that the website is now automatically zoomed to your newly selected default zoom level. In our example, 125. Now, setting a default zoom is great, but what if you find that you need to adjust the zoom level on a specific web page even after setting your default? Chrome makes that easy too. Look back up at the address bar. To the right of the website address, you should see a little zoom icon there. It might look like a magnifying glass or a percentage number. This icon appears on web pages where you have adjusted the zoom from the default. Click on that zoom icon in the address bar. A little zoom control pop-up will appear. Here you can quickly increase or decrease the zoom level for just this current web page using the plus and minus buttons. These pitch-specific zoom adjustments are temporary. They only apply to the website you're currently viewing. When you close the tab or visit a different website, it will revert back to your default zoom level. If you want to reset the zoom on a specific page back to the default zoom, simply click the Reset Zoom button in that zoom control pop-up in the address bar. And finally, if you decide you want to go back to your Chrome standard default zoom of 100, that's also easy to do. Just go back to Chrome Settings, then Appearance, then Zoom Level, and in the drop-down menu, select 100 again. So that's how you change Google Chrome's default zoom settings and also how to adjust the zoom on individual web pages. A really simple but useful customization to make your browsing more comfortable. We hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tech tips and tutorials like this.